Alright, welcome back. We're at the front of the bike now, the Z50R, and I'll show you how I got the KX65 wheel and disc brakes mounted to the front end here. So I got all the front end off so you can see everything good. This is the TBparts billet triple tree that accepts the KLX 110 forks. And all I had to do, the 110 forks I think are 31 millimeter and the 65s are 33. So I had the machine shop bore these out to 33, and there's still plenty of meat on here, so I'm not really concerned about that. So I'll include all the parts and whatnot in the description to make this happen. And to get down to the good stuff here, obviously, you know, when you look at these wheels I have on here, they're just the stock KX65 wheels. I have no intention of keeping them, they're too big. I'll be going to a set of 12-inch, probably mag wheels. If not that, then I'll go spoked, but they'll be 12-inch, which is still kind of big for a Z50, but I need brakes that are safe to be on the road. Okay, so this is all stock components, so the 65, and these forks obviously are 65 as well, so the pattern for the brake caliper match. And the key to this is, if you look here, there's a spacer here for the axle and a spacer on the other side, and then there's two spacers to hold the brake caliper. Okay, and all that is just some tubing I bought, aluminum tubing. And the key to everything here, to make it simple, is all these spacers need to be cut to 24.5 millimeters, and that gets you the perfect spacing. And obviously there's nothing special about the brake master cylinder up on the handlebar, but I will likely go to possibly a CBR 900 RR master cylinder, since that has the brake switch in it. Right now the KX65 has no place for the brake light, so, but it all depends on what you need at that point. I just need a brake switch. But yeah, so I'm hoping to get my 12-inch wheels here soon with a small sprocket in the back, and we'll start testing again to see how this configuration works out. I know my one concern is I might not be able to get a small enough sprocket for the back, but I think with the bigger wheel diameter, we'll probably be in the right ballpark. All right, well, stay tuned. Thank you.